2024 Newmar London Air. The 2024 Newmar London Air is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. With spacious living areas, a fully equipped kitchen, cozy bedrooms, and modern bathrooms, it feels just like a home wherever you go. Every detail is carefully designed, from smart storage solutions to elegant finishes, making life on the road easy and enjoyable. The motorhome also includes advanced technology and entertainment options to keep passengers connected and entertained throughout the journey. Comfortable seating, climate control, and thoughtful layouts make long trips relaxing for everyone. Built on a strong and reliable chassis, the London Air offers smooth handling, stability, and safety, even on long drives or challenging roads. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country adventures, or extended vacations, Argo Frontier. The Argo Frontier 650 is a lightweight, versatile ATV built for adventure and tough conditions. Weighing just 404 kilograms, it's easy to handle but strong enough to tackle swamps, bogs, rivers, and rough terrain. On land, it can reach speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour and carry 4 people comfortably, while on water, it slows to 5 kilometers per hour and can hold 2 passengers. Its 27-liter fuel tank provides up to 8 hours of travel, making it ideal for long trips in remote areas. Despite its small size, the Frontier 650 is designed to be practical and reliable for both recreational use and work in challenging environments. Affordable at around $11,000, it offers excellent value for anyone looking for an ATV that can handle extreme conditions without compromising safety or performance. Whether you're exploring muddy trails, crossing rivers, or taking on off-road adventures, Becker Mercedes-Benz Jet Van. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Jet Van is a stylish and luxurious van built for travelers who want comfort, convenience, and freedom on the road. Based on the trusted Mercedes-Benz platform, it combines reliability with premium features, making every journey smooth and enjoyable. Inside, the Jet Van feels like a home on wheels, with spacious seating, a modern kitchenette, and cozy sleeping areas, perfect for weekend trips, long road adventures, or extended travel. Its thoughtful design uses every inch of space efficiently, giving you plenty of room for passengers and luggage. Advanced technology and entertainment options keep everyone connected and entertained during the ride, while climate control and comfortable seats ensure a relaxing experience. The Jet Van's powerful engine and smooth handling make it easy to drive on highways, city streets, or winding country roads, giving you confidence and safety on any trip. With clever storage solutions and a practical layout, it's simple to carry everything you need for your adventures. Whether you're traveling solo, with family, or with friends, the Becker Mercedes-Benz Jet Van offers the perfect mix of style, comfort, and flexibility. It's more than just a van. It's a complete travel experience that lets you explore the open road in luxury and ease. Brooder EXP7. The Brooder EXP7 is an exciting off-road vehicle built for adventure and exploration. Designed to handle tough terrains, it combines strength, durability, and style in one powerful package. Whether you're traveling through forests, mountains, or deserts, the EXP7 is ready to take on any challenge. Its rugged exterior protects the vehicle in rough conditions, while the spacious interior keeps passengers comfortable on long trips. The EXP7 comes with modern technology and safety features, making every ride smooth and reliable. Drivers will enjoy strong performance, excellent traction, and responsive handling, perfect for off-road adventures or weekend getaways. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed for convenience and comfort, with plenty of space for passengers and gear. Its stylish design makes it stand out, showing that off-road capability can also look sleek and modern. Continental Conti Home. The Continental Conti Home is a 7.5-meter mobile home that brings the comfort of a modern apartment wherever you go. Imagine your SUV transforming into a sleek, fully equipped home on wheels. That's the Conti Home. One of its most impressive features is the smart leveling system, which automatically stabilizes the trailer on uneven ground, so you don't need jacks or extra stabilizers. Inside, It's packed with everything you need for a comfortable stay. Climate control keeps the temperature perfect. A water filtration system provides clean drinking water. And a full kitchen with a stove lets you cook easily, no matter where you are. The trailer also has 800 watts of solar panels and smart energy management, allowing you to stay off-grid for a week without sacrificing any comforts. Designed to blend style, convenience, and mobility, the Conti Home is perfect for camping, road trips, or exploring remote locations. It offers the freedom to travel anywhere while keeping all the amenities of home. With the Continental Conti Home, adventure and comfort go hand in hand, letting you enjoy the great outdoors without giving up modern living. Every journey becomes relaxing, convenient, and truly enjoyable. Dembel Motorhome, luxury and comfort on wheels. The Dembel Motorhome turns a Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace truck into a stunning home on wheels. Designed in Italy, it combines luxury, style, and practicality for travelers who want the ultimate comfort on the road. Inside, the living space feels spacious and open, with no steps or raised areas, giving it a smooth, studio-like layout with a ceiling height of 2.1 meters. The motorhome's standout feature is its rear garage, which can fit a car up to 4 meters long. Above the garage, there's a cozy bedroom, making clever use of space. For those with smaller vehicles, there are options with a smaller garage for compact cars, scooters, or even bicycles. The interior is designed for both elegance and functionality, offering a comfortable environment for long journeys or weekend trips. Every detail of the Dembel motorhome reflects Italian design excellence. Dozor Expeditia. The Dozor Expeditia is a versatile and affordable off-road vehicle built for adventure and tough missions, priced at just $47,476. Despite its budget-friendly cost, it offers impressive features that make it perfect for exploring challenging terrains. On land, it can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and it can even float on water at 10 kilometers per hour, giving it true amphibious capability. Its engine is modest, producing 65 horsepower, but it's extremely efficient, consuming only 4 liters of fuel per hour. The Dozor can tow up to 2 tons of cargo and comfortably carry 6 passengers, making it ideal for work, transport, or group adventures. It also comes with smart engineering features, like a continuous fuel supply system for inclined terrains and an extra engine fan that automatically switches on and off at set temperatures to prevent overheating. These features ensure the vehicle stays reliable even in extreme conditions. Expandable Trailer Touchdown. The Expandable Trailer Touchdown is a versatile, all-in-one mobile solution for modern entrepreneurs and business owners. Instead of renting office spaces or constantly moving locations, this trailer brings your workspace and showroom wherever you go. In just minutes, it transforms into a sleek, professional environment, complete with a comfortable meeting area and space to display products, making it perfect for product launches, promo tours, or client meetings. But it's not just for work. After a long day, the Touchdown easily converts into a cozy living space, giving you a place to relax and recharge. Its design balances practicality and comfort, allowing you to stay mobile without compromising on convenience. Lightweight and easy to tow, it can go wherever your business needs, turning any location into a professional setting. With smart layouts, quality materials, and a focus on usability, Flat Cat. The Flat Cat is a premium trailer designed to give your vehicle the ultimate ride experience. At 5 meters long, it acts like a throne for your car, with a sleek black extruded deck and a textured surface that feels like a red carpet rolled out just for your vehicle. Its rubber torsion suspension ensures even low-profile sports cars glide smoothly, barely noticing they're being towed. The trailer also includes a built-in drainage system to keep puddles, mud, and water away, protecting your car from messy roads. For extra durability, the aluminum rock guard shields your vehicle from rocks and debris, while the adjustable coupler works with nearly any towing vehicle, from pickups to SUVs, making it incredibly versatile. Strong yet lightweight, the Flat Cat balances style, protection, and practicality perfectly. Whether you're 4Travel Realm FS6. The 4Travel Realm FS6 is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. Inside, it feels just like a home, with spacious living areas, a fully equipped kitchen, cozy bedrooms, and modern bathrooms. Every detail is crafted to make long trips comfortable and enjoyable, whether you're traveling with family, friends, or as a couple. The motorhome also includes smart technology and entertainment options, so everyone can stay connected and entertained while on the move. Driving the Realm FS6 is smooth and easy thanks to its powerful engine and stable handling, even on highways, hills, or winding roads. Its strong and durable build ensures safety and reliability for all kinds of trips. Perfect for weekend getaways or long vacations, this motorhome lets you explore new places in style without giving up any comforts of home. Furrion Elysium, the ultimate luxury motorhome. The Furrion Elysium is a motorhome designed for the ultimate in luxury and innovation. Created by the American company Furrion, known for high-end interiors in cars, yachts, and homes, it falls into the insanely expensive category. Stretching 13.7 meters, it features a living area with the latest technology, a fully equipped kitchen with a built-in fridge and dishwasher, a lounge with a 75-inch TV, and a bathroom with a shower. Every detail is designed for comfort, style, and elegance. What makes the Elysium extraordinary is its rooftop heliport, complete with a Robinson R-22 helicopter, combining convenience and imagination in one incredible feature. This motorhome currently exists as a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, but Furrion can build custom versions for anyone ready to invest. Futura Super Tourer. The Futura Super Tourer is a sleek 6.7-meter aluminum trailer built to make transporting cars easy, safe, and stress-free. Its platform sits just 30 centimeters off the ground, so loading vehicles feels effortless, even without heavy lifting. The hydraulic system can carry up to 2.5 tons, making it perfect for sports cars, compact city cars, or even two cars at once. A smart air suspension keeps the platform level on uneven surfaces, while the stabilization system ensures a smooth ride, letting cars glide into place almost on their own. Despite its heavy-duty performance, the trailer weighs only 1,200 kilograms, combining strength with a lightweight design. This makes it ideal for safely transporting rare collector cars, protecting delicate bodywork and expensive kits from scratches or damage. Heartwood Saunas. Heartwood Saunas offers a unique way to enjoy a sauna wherever your adventures take you. This 4.3-meter long trailer hides a fully functional steam room inside, complete with a powerful 9 kilowatt Harvia stove that can heat the sauna up to 90 degrees Celsius in just a few minutes. Despite its impressive features, the sauna weighs only 1,600 kilograms, so even a mid-sized SUV can tow it easily. Whether you want to relax by a lake, soak in the snowy forest during winter, or take it on an alpine adventure, Heartwood makes it possible. In only 20 minutes, you can have a steaming hot sauna ready, providing comfort and luxury no matter where you stop. Built to withstand even the harshest conditions, it's perfect for cold climates and outdoor enthusiasts who love flexibility and convenience. With Heartwood, you can change your surroundings while still enjoying the warmth and relaxation of a proper sauna. Intech OVR. The Intech OVR is a powerful off-road vehicle built for people who love adventure and exploring new places. Designed to handle rough terrain, it can easily take on dirt roads, rocky paths, sandy trails, and more, making every journey exciting and fun. Its rugged build ensures durability, while the all-terrain tires and strong suspension provide stability and control even in the toughest conditions. Inside, the OVR is comfortable and practical, with enough space for passengers and all your gear, so you can enjoy longer trips without worry. The cabin is designed for convenience, and modern safety features give you confidence on every ride. The sleek and bold exterior makes it stand out while staying practical for real-world adventures. Whether you're camping in the mountains, exploring forests, or crossing deserts, the Intech OVR makes every trip smoother and more enjoyable. Jojo Bean Series. The Jojo Bean series by Movable Roots is a collection of small, beautifully designed houses that make simple living easy and practical. These homes are great for people who want to travel full-time, create Airbnb rentals, add a guest unit to their property, or enjoy weekend glamping in comfort. With sizes ranging from 20 to 26 feet long and 8.6 to 10 feet wide, they are compact yet spacious enough to feel cozy and functional. Each home includes a modern kitchen with all the essentials, a flexible table that can be used for dining or as a desk, and a comfortable bedroom with a queen-size bed. Built on a strong deck-over bumper pull frame with 7K axles, these homes are sturdy and reliable.